On this Millennial review, we're taking a look at the EcoLogic Home Insect Control Spray. This spray is safe around children and pets, and it uses lemongrass oil to do the killing. Now, this is going to be able to kill ants, cockroaches, spiders, and other cold-blooded creatures as well. It's going to be pretty easy to apply. It's got some directions inside of here that's going to help you know exactly how to use it. And this can be used inside or outside, and it comes with a little spray nozzle which we'll attach in a second to run along the baseboards of your home. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now it says before you use it to shake well, so go ahead and do that. And then once you've done that, you can actually remove this sticker that's on the cap here. And then the top is going to pop open, just like that. And this is where you're going to insert the hose. With the hose inserted, you can now use the handle to spray. And just spray it along baseboards. You can even use it along window openings on the inside to make sure that bugs don't end up coming through the gaps on the window. And it can of course be used on exterior doors and windows as well. On the handle here, it's got a couple of different positions. You can see these two positions have the X. You're gonna have one position which is sort of a stream position, and then more of a spray position. So it's on spray now, and I'm just gonna spray the outside window of my house. Works out pretty well. And if we switch this, pretty easy to be done, but we can switch it to that stream position there, and you'll notice, you know, if I'm trying to go a little bit higher, it's gonna do one good stream. And I like it because when you do that stream, it'll run right down the seam of your house pretty dang well. So having used this now for the second year in a row on my house, I just wanted to post up this short little video and let you know what I think about this stuff. I definitely think it works. I like the fact that it doesn't harm my dog and, you know, isn't putting nasty chemicals inside the house. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to check this stuff out, I do of course have a link down below.